All right, YouTube subscribers, my name is Ray Sean, known as Ray News on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm back with another video of my 52-inch antique Breyers Hampton based St. Vintage Landmark ceiling fan. Once again, this is a nickname that I came up with for this ceiling fan because this is a Hampton based St. Clair ceiling fan motor that I'm using. And the blade brackets that you see on this fan came off my Encon Vintage ceiling fan. And the cane blades came off my Hampton Bay Landmark ceiling fan. So that's why I'm calling this the Hampton Bay St. Vintage Landmark, when really it's a Hampton Bay St. Clair ceiling fan. So the reason why I'm doing another video of this fan, because this time I'm making a video of this fan showing with the factory speeds, which is the pull chain speeds. So I'm about to go on to demonstrate this fan, starting off with this light. So when I pull the chain, the outer lights come on. And the reason why is that because I reversed the wiring on the pull chain switch for this light kit. Because originally the center light would come on first and the outer lights would come on second, but I reversed it. So now the outer lights come on first. Then when I pull it again, then the center light will come on second. Pull it again, then both the center and the outer lights will come on simultaneously. Pull it again, then all of them goes off, but you really can't see it because it's dark. So I'm about to go on and put it on this setting here. So I'm about to go on and demonstrate this fan, starting off with low. So here's what it looks like running on low speed right here. But it's a hair faster on low speed when you put it on low speed by the pull chain. So it's a hair faster on low speed, but not really faster than, but it's not really faster on the factory low than it is on the remote speed, low speed. So this is what it looks like running on low speed. All right, let me start repeating myself like a broken record, because I'm not really doing anything but saying the same thing over and over. Yeah. This is just about low. And I'm about to go on and put it on medium. So this is medium right here. So that's medium. So after that, then I'm going to put it on high speed, and I'm about to put it on high speed in a little bit. And matter of fact, I'll put it on high speed right now. So this is high speed, and it does have a wobble to it. And then also what I forgot to show you guys is that if you look closely at that center light right there, that center light is twerking a little bit. So it got a different twerk to it than the fan. Yeah, so that's what that center light is doing. But I'm gonna go on and show the whole fan right here. Cause I done made this video like 5 minutes long. Over 5 minutes. Then I'm about to go on and show you guys the air noise. And I'm about to go on and put it on fan off. I'm about to go on and stop the blades. And I'm gonna show the speed up noise. And I'm about to go on and put it on fan off. So, this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I am out.